Hi, in this video we can see that how we can print SQL JPA SQL query in a console. For that we currently default internally it is not show any query which is internally made by JPA. For that we just need to configure in application.properties three properties: Spring JPA show SQL. So SQL, if we configure true, then it's show SQL query, and Hibernate format SQL means it's show standard query format, and SQL command if true, then it is show comment if they have. So now we can configure and start the application and check out when we can execute JPA and check in console it is made or not. Now first clear out the console and check. Now check. Now that is create how JPA create a query. Now show here. So if we want see which type of query generate internally JPA use by entity manager, so here we can create define means configure this type of properties. So SQL, format SQL, and if you want to see comments, then use SQL comment. We are configured true. So these are the properties of SQL if you want to see in a log. That's it.